What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen won't turn on issue in HyperOS. So to fix this issue, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try for factory resetting the phone. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, and then scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data. So when you will tap on this option here, it will ask you for your lock screen pin, password or pattern. And when you will enter the pin, password or pattern of your lock screen, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts, everything will be deleted. So if you are sure, then tap on this erase all data option, and after that the screen won't turn on issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix screen won't turn on issue in HyperOS. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.